Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the cabin air filter on a 2016 Cadillac Escalade. Begin by opening and emptying the glove box, then release the dampener arm and lower the glove box to expose the filter housing. Remove the housing cover clips, slide out the old filter, and inspect for debris. Position the new filter with airflow arrows correct, snap the cover back on, and restore the glove box to finish. In this video, I will show how to replace the cabin air filter on a 2016 Cadillac Escalade. With the glove box lowered, locate the plastic tabs holding the filter cover and unclip them evenly. Pull the cover away and gently extract the contaminated filter, keeping it horizontal to avoid scattering dust. Inspect the cavity and vacuum any loose debris before inserting the new filter to ensure clean airflow and proper sealing. In this video, I will show how to replace the cabin air filter on a 2016 Cadillac Escalade. Confirm the new filter arrow points toward the cabin, then slide it smoothly into place until seated. Reinstall the housing cover and ensure each clip snaps securely. Lift the glove box, reattach the dampener arm, and test the glove box operation. Run the HVAC briefly to confirm improved airflow and reduced odors for a cleaner cabin experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.